Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to make an X Factor sheet, and as you see, I am using regular spiral notebook paper. I have just turned it so that I have these wonderful vertical columns to help me keep my multiples and factors separate from one another. So we're going to start and we're going to skip a column with each number that we put here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can we fit 13? Yes. And we're going to make 1 the star of the show, and we're going to try to skip a space going down. You can use your paper to help you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What we're going to do is we're going to double the ones to get the twos. I want you to try to beat me. Here we go. Count by twos. Doubling the ones to get the twos. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. And now we're going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. What's the pattern you see here? With the multiples of 5, you can see they are increasing each time by 5. Now let's count by tens to get the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Ooh, I should never say and. That's for a decimal. 120, 130. Now we are going to double the twos to get the fours. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, and then 52. Look at the fours. What is happening here? They are increasing by 4 each time, and the tens are increasing by 10 each time, and the multiples of 1 are increasing by 1 each time. And now let's do single digit 11. Remember, all you have to do with the single digits to follow the pattern is to double it. So 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. And now we come here. We are now entering into the double digit factors. So we are going to add 11. So this is 110. And now we're going to add 11. So 11 times 11 is 121. We're going to add 11 again, and this is 132. And we're going to add 11 again, and 11 times 13 is 143. And that looks like a prime number, but it is not. It is a composite number. It has more than just 13 times 11, right, as factors. It has 1 times 43 as well. All right, so now let's go to the threes. And so we're just going to be adding 3 each time because multiplication is just repetitive addition. So 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. And now we're going to double the threes to get the sixes. So double, double, let's see. 6 plus 6 is 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, and if you add these together, it is 78 because we are increasing by 6. And now we are going to do the 8s. Double the 4s to get the 8s. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, and remember we're adding 8. So what will that be? 104. And now let's look at the 9s. Let's see if I have enough room. Yes, I think we can do it. So we're going to use a little trick. We're going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we'll go up this way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, that doesn't really teach us what's going on with multiplication, but it does help us to quickly be able to make our X factor sheet if we have not memorized our math facts. So we have 1 times 9 here. So now we need 2 times 9, 18. 3 times 9 or 9 times 3, doesn't matter because of commutative property of multiplication. 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Now we know we're just adding 9. 99. We're adding 9 again. 108. And we're adding 9 again. 117. And that looks like a prime number, but it is not because it has more factors than just 1 times 117 is 117. You also have 9 times 13 is 117. Or if you apply the commutative property of multiplication, 13 times 9 is 117. So now we have our 7s, 12s, and 13s. So now we're going to double the 6s to get the 12s, okay? So 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3, 36, 48. And I just want to ask you, what do you see on this X factor sheet that could help you with the 12s? Look, we already have multiples right there. So I'm just going to check them out. 60. And what I'm doing each time is I'm just repetitively adding 12 to itself. So 72. I don't have the 7s yet, so I'm going to skip that. Almost didn't. 96, 108, 120, 132, 12 times 12, we're adding 12, so it's 144. And let's add 12 again. That's 156. Now, we're at the 7s. Is there anything that you can look at on the X factor sheet to help you with the 7s? Yes, because of commutative property of multiplication. So let's just copy those very carefully. 28, 35, 42. Here's one we have not done again. 7 times 8, 56. 63, 70, 77. And come back here. We're adding 12 to that one, and we get 84. But over here, we're adding 7, and we get 84. Oh, math magic right there. Okay, let's come back before we do 7 times 13 and just add 7 to 42. It's 49. And then let's add 7 here. Let's do our 1s. Let's do our 10s. That's another number that looks like it is a prime number, but it is in fact a composite number, because 1 times 91 equals 91, and 7 times 13, or 13 times 7, also equals 91. So now we're at 13. Where can we find the multiples of 13? You're right, except for 13 times 13. So let's carefully copy them. 13 times 3, 13 times 4, 13 times 5, 13 times 6, 13 times 7, 13 times 8, 13 times 9, 13 times 10, 13 times 11, 13 times 12, and 13 times 13. It's another number that looks like it is prime. And so we have finished our X factor sheet that we can use with a lot of our workbook pages. See if you can get faster and faster. See if you can beat me. And be sure to check to see if I made any mistakes, because it's quite possible.